I am Sarah.
And I am apparently Lucario Riley. Today we had a little incident. Little. Lee the Magnificent, see him on the last video.
No, this is no, episode 2.
Episode 2, right. We got a little angry afterwards because the glow cut off. Little. Turned her into this with the spikies.
Lucario!
So anyways, we're going to do something with this ability. Let's see which human or fighting type is better. So, I got these tiptoe gloves here. See them? Ding ding! Aw! I win!
She wins. Aw, poor sport.
Poor sport. Anyway,
That concludes that fight.
so we're gonna have a little special thing. Talking with our little buddy Shadow here.
Yeah, Shadow the Hedge.
Shadow. So, let's begin. Okay, Shadow. What are your feelings towards Maria?
She's my soul sister to me. I loved her so much.
What if I was to say Maria's not dead?
That's impossible.
She crashed and, all that. And what if I was to say that there's a better life form than you? I'd have to destroy that life form. Obviously. Instantaneously. Let's give it up for Shadow. Nobody likes me. And that concludes that. Now, anyways, now it's time for Freedom Junk! And that's it for 1,000 ways to be
Random!
Please leave your comments in the section below. No dirty comments. Please subscribe to Shelly Wolf.
99. Anyways, if you have anything to add to the show that you want to add, please tell us. Bye.
Bye.